कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kumshibinta pensa eka naam jong Rabindranath Tagore ke Sarkar Jilla ling Bakatran Arts and Culture. Kintaino dekat Tagore Cultural Complex Habruk Side Relbong Shillong hagba Menteri ke Arts and Culture ba Polingdo ringkat baru MLA ke South Shillong constituency ba Sanbor Shulai minta ke sengi kan rotrik ule berik la boya umau nongrem. Ya kini ke Tagore Cultural Complex ante Habruk Side Relbong Shillong bagi jinglot jingsep ke bekot khatsau poin san pupra klur bagi tenan Arts and Culture kelayu pediang san klur hakawat ke beningkong bagi ya kini ke kompleks ante sedang no hadian ke election. Hagani ke jingalang la dan lang Commissioner and Secretary ke Arts and Culture uba FR Kharkongot, Director ke Arts and Culture uba Diki di Shira ki dekat jeng Relbong Sports and Cultural Club bat kiwe. Kumbancu kedau hakini Dhaka ya kabau Rabindranath Tagore ulawan ban yuk kejat haduk laisen kinti kata haus nam kat kendai spa arpau bat haus nam kat kendai spa arpunyo berusyang usa habruk side relbong bat haduk kini ke kinti meminta ke jengtia batia Tagore haduk minta ke dangdan bat ke badang baha habukran haka jingalang uba Sanbor uloong hakapuar bula shimti ke menteri ke Sarkar Jilla haka arpunyo truk unaitung araja arpuwe barulah sedang menshimkhia ban Pynïasoh eka bahak tingka ya kini ke projek Dhaka Balet Shadu Delhi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
When I took over in the year 2001 as a Minister of Art Culture, she regularly come and remind me regarding this project for Rabindranath Tagore complex. Also, we have Monica Chanda, the chairperson of the Gitani Dance Academy. Then we have so many teachers. We have also Bariki Shulai, Vice Chairman of the DDC, who work along with me and to follow up the scheme in various departments, including this project, where we went to Delhi for the information of my colleague Bapur to meet the Honorable Union Minister of Kolshor, Art and Kolshor, Sri Kishan Reddy, who have passed an order from his table during the year 2001. I must also congratulate and express my sincere thanks and will send also the message of acknowledgement to the Union Control Minister, Mr. J. Kishan Reddy ji, who have keen interest to get this project sanctioned from his table, and to all his officials who have worked so hard to get this project sanctioned. Of art culture on the 27th July 2021, where we have initiated with the official of the art and culture and till Delhi to get this project happen. This is a little bit I abstract few of the story of Rabindranath Tagore Devji. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore set his first foot in Shillong on the 11th October 1919. He stayed here behind us. This is Heritage House that the bed and the bedroom along with the bed and other items are still lying intact inside this heritage. And during the inspection, a few days ago with our Honorable Minister Paul, Frederick, Dodd, Shira and all our officials, we went inside with Munish Singh, where we have decided not to dismantle this existing heritage house. We will not dismantle. we will retain it and we will renovate and paint it. And the cultural complex, as per the inspection, it will happen here. And the museum, then bar, restaurant, coffee will be around, where the people from Shillong, especially the tourists, will come. They can come, eat, get food, they can go around, they can see, take photographs, and it'll be, this message will go to every part of India, even abroad, where after the project was completed, so it will attract the flow of traffic, not only from our country, India, and even from abroad.
Uba polling no uloong bakadi ka sngi ka bakraw bakadi ka complex kan sa urlong no hakan rutruk ulber ka deiru ka jingdap shisnam jong kani ka sarkar MDA bat kani ka longkum ka jing ai sngo bhai ki nong bud ba ki nong ie yu Tagore. Uloong ba omdei tang Tagore belawan sa Shillong hende wat Subash Chandra Bose bat wat Unirat si Chaudhry ulawan wan sa kai ha apa Shillong kat bahak we pat kaliang usoso tha mula pendap ya ka jing tho e ka kot ki sngi barem u henyo trap.
It is indeed a very happy occasion for all of us that we have come to a point of fruition where this very important, iconic complex named after Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore has come to see the light of day. Incidentally, today, the 6th of March, also happens to be the first anniversary of our MDA-2 government. So in a way, this is MDA's birthday gift to the state of Meghalaya, and especially to Tagore's fans and followers. Just a month back, on the 16th of February, it was with sheer delight and pleasure that, with the active support of the Indian High Commission in Dhaka, we had gone to unveil the bust and also inaugurate the Tirot Singh Library at Dhaka. A tribal chieftain from Nongklau has today become a global hero whose memorial stands proud in the heart of Bangladesh. And we thought we would reciprocate by having the Tagore Cultural Complex here in Shillong. The place which had inspired Tagore to write 3 of his best-known books, one of which I had read as a kid when I used to frequent the State Central Library and came across a slim volume of his short stories. And it is also a matter of pride that Shillong, with its small size, has given birth to so many classic works of art, books, music, poetry. When we make a mention of the legendary figures of the Bengali community, I'm delighted to share with you that it is not just Tagore who has visited and stayed in Shillong, but you also had Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I do not know how many of you would know this, but a friend of mine happens to possess a vintage Jeep that was used to drive Netaji when he had come via Sylhet to Shillong. And that vintage car is today located at Ansville, Upper Shillong. You also had another legendary figure, a writer of international proportions, Neeraj Singh Chowdhury, and his book, The Autobiography of an Unknown Indian. I am delighted to share with you that some of his best childhood memories came when he had come to stay at Upper Shillong, and we made repeated references to the natural beauty of Shillong. 1919, 1923, 1927, those were the years that had captivated Gurudev and deepened his love for Shillong here at Brookside. And just a few years later, on the other part of Shillong, Ususutham had written and completed his Iberin Unyutra, his magnum opus, in 1936. Therefore, friends, Shillong is not just a name, a city, or an address. It is a hub of culture. It is an icon of civilization. When I read about Arundhati Roy, it gives me immense pleasure to know that she was also born in Shillong, Robert Hospital, Jeddah. Had she stayed on, she would have been my voter. When we have a day like today, we celebrate the fact that life is not just about pursuing our careers, attending work. In fact, I'm delighted by the fact that we have a packed audience today, being a working day. It means that all of you have chosen to be here away from the call of duty, because deep down inside each one of us, there lives a dreamer, a poet, and a passionate lover of the arts, beyond the call of duty and beyond the confines of our office spaces. Friends, it is also a happy occasion for me to announce that this project, we have organized today's foundation stone laying ceremony with the sole intention of pursuing and actively commencing the project, as Tagore has just highlighted. In fact, I'm thankful to my predecessors in the department, Sandor Shulai, E.L. and our Chief Minister, who have in the past pursued this matter actively with the powers that be in Delhi. And after I took over, we also made sure that we would come up with the required state share in order to enable this project to take off. We also have a very clear vision that this cultural complex, when completed, will not only cater to Tagore's fans here in Shillong, but we would like to make it global, connect with Dhaka connect with West Bengal to ensure that it is a vibrant cultural center filled with activities and programs. We would like to see the exchange of cultures and following Gurudev's philosophy that someone should rise above his ethnic identity to become a global thinker and a global visionary.